Hello everyone, my name is Agnes EKP. In this video, I will explain the 16 tenses in English in a clear and simple way. Therefore, I hope you can watch and pay close attention to this explains. Number 1, simple present tense. Function, habit, general fact, and daily routines. Formula, positif itu subject plus verb 1 plus subject. Negatif, subject plus do does plus not plus verb ing. Question mark, do does plus subject plus verb 1. Example, positif, she read a book. Negatif, she does not read a book. Question mark, does she read a book? Number 2, present continuous tense. Function, action happening now. Formula, plus subject plus am is are plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus am is are plus not plus verb ing. Question mark, am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Example, positif, she is reading a book. Negatif, she is not reading a book. Question mark, is she reading a book? Number 3, present perfect tense. Function, action that happened in the past and are still related to the present. Formula, positif, subject plus have has plus verb 3. Negatif, subject plus have has plus not plus verb 3. Question mark, have has plus subject plus verb 3. Example, positif, she has read the book. Negatif, she has not read of the book. Question mark, has she read the book? Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. Function, action that start in the past and are still continue. Formula, positif, subject plus have has plus been plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus have has plus not plus been plus verb ing. Question mark, have has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example, positif, she has been reading a book. Negatif, she has not been reading a book. Question mark, has she been reading a book? Number 5, simple past tense. Function, complete action in the past. Formula, positif, subject plus verb 2. Negatif, subject plus did not plus verb 1. Question mark, did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, positif, she read a book yesterday. Negatif, she did not read a book yesterday. Question mark, did she read a book yesterday? Number 6, past continuous tense. Function, action that were in progress in the past. Formula, positif, subject plus was, were plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus was, were plus not plus verb ing. Question mark, was, were plus subject plus verb ing. Example, positif, she was reading a book. Negatif, she was not reading a book. Question mark, was she reading a book? Number 7. Past perfect tense. Function: action that happened before another action in the past. Formula: positif subject plus had plus verb 3. Negatif: subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. Question mark: had plus subject plus verb 3. Example: positif, she had read the book. Negatif, she had not read a book. Question mark: had she read the book? Number 8. Past perfect continuous tense. Function: action that had been happening, another past action. Formula: positif subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Negatif subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. Question mark: had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example: plus she had been reading a book. Negatif, she had not been reading a book. Question mark: had she been reading a book? Number 9. Simple future tense. Will. Function: spontaneous decision and predication. Formula: positif subject plus will plus verb 1. Negatif, subject plus will not plus verb 1. Question mark: will plus subject plus verb 1. Example: positif, she will read a book. Negatif, she will not read a book. Question mark: will she read a book? Number 10. Simple future: be going to. Function: plans and intention. Number 10. Simple future: be going to. Function: plans and intention. Formula: positif subject plus am is are plus going to plus verb 1. Negatif, subject am is are plus not plus going to plus verb 1. Question mark: am is are plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. Example: positif, she is going to read a book. Negatif, she is not going to read book. Question mark: is the going to read a book? Number 11. Future continuous tense. Function: action that will be in progress at a certain time in the future. Formula: positif subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus will not plus be plus verb ing. Question mark: will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Example: positif, she will be reading a book. Negatif, she will not be reading a book. Question mark: will she be reading a book? Number 12. Future perfect tense. Function: action that will be complete before a certain time in the future. Formula: positif subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. Negatif, subject plus will not plus have plus verb 3. Question mark: will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Example: positif, she will have read a book. Negatif, she will not have read a book. Question mark: will she have read the book? Number 13. Future perfect continuous tense. Function: action that will have been continuous for a period of time in the future. Formula: positif subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus will not plus have plus been plus verb ing. Question mark: will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing. Example, positive, she will have been reading a book. Negative, she will not have been reading a book. Question mark, will she have been reading a book? Number 14, simple past future tense. Function, future action views from the past. Formula, positive, subject plus word plus verb 1. Negative, subject plus word plus not plus verb 1. Question mark, word plus subject plus verb 1. Example, positive, she would read a book. Negative, she would not read a book. Question mark, would she read a book? Number 15, past future continuous tense. Function, action the would be in progress in the future from a past point of view. Formula, positive, subject plus word plus be plus verb in. Negative, subject plus word plus not plus be plus verb in. Question mark, word plus subject plus be plus verb in. Example, positive, she would be reading a book. Negative, she would not be reading a book. Question mark, would she be reading a book? Number 16, part of speech. Nouns, a word the name a person, place, thing or idea. Example, book. Pronouns, word that replace noun. Example, see. Verb, a word the show action of date. Example, read. Adjective, a word that describe a noun. Example, interesting. Adverb, word that describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example, quickly. Preposition, a word that show relationship of place, time, or direction. Example, on. Conjunction, a word that connect word of clause. Example, because. Interjection, a word that express emotion. Example, wow.